Let's do some reading together. I have some pictures. Do you recognize any of these things? Yeah, I have duck, frog, belt, and crab. What does this say? Crab, crab. Crab. So we'll put it with the picture of the crab. What about this? What does this say? Frog, frog. Frog. So we'll put it with the picture of the frog. What about this? Duck, duck. Duck. That's right. When the k and the k go together like that, we can just say k one time. Duck. Oh, and what's this? Belt, belt. Belt. So we'll put it with the picture of the belt. So today you read duck, frog, belt, and crab. Let's try it with some other pictures. What pictures do I have now? Yeah, I have gift, milk, flag, and tent. What does this say? Tent, tent. Tent. So we'll put it with the picture of the tent. What does this say? Milk, milk. Milk. We'll put that with the picture of the milk. What does this say? Gift, gift. Gift. So we'll put this one with the picture of the gift. And what's this? Flag, flag. Flag. That's right, we'll put it with the picture of the flag. So you read gift, milk, flag, and tent. Thanks so much for coming to read with me. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.